So we're going to go into more about those market risks with my point number 7. And now it's jargon time. So you can't get away without learning a bit of financial jargon, and you can use some of these terms to impress your friends at dinner parties. So let's talk about systemic risk. And what systemic risk is, those are like the black swan events. And black swan events are things that occur just simultaneously out of thin air, it seems. And they just cause sudden crashes or sudden chaos in the world. Or we have a really good one, example for 2020, that pandemic. I don't know about you, but in March, things got a little bit queasy for a while. So next we have the systematic risk, which is everyday risk that you just can't get rid of. It's a combination of, politics, economic factors, interest rates, general corporate health of the companies, and geopolitical issues. You can't diversify that away. You just have to live with it. So you live with it and you accept it.